Hey there, I'm Jan from Lumnio, and I'm back with another quick Lumnio lesson. In this one, we're going to focus on the equipment and sites, which are crucial to setting up your organization in Lumnio. So, let's get started. This is Mark. Mark needs to maintain a large fleet of cars across multiple cities using Lumnio. But if you have this many cars, setting up each one manually would be almost impossible. That's where equipment types come in. Although Mark has hundreds of cars, the fleet is split just between a handful of models. Sure, some parameters like the color, registration, and insurance number can differ, but the most important things are the same. So Mark can save a ton of work by creating an equipment type for each car model in his fleet. He can set up variable parameters and assign content which will be accessible for each car with that type. But what if he wants to also add some location-based content, like guide to opening the gate at a specific depot? That's what the sites are for. He can create a site for each of his depots and assign not only work instructions but also contacts, tasks, and GPS coordinates. So the site content shows up in the app first whenever the technicians are nearby. And the last piece of the puzzle, the equipment. In Mark's case, the actual cars. When you have the types and sites set up, creating the equipment is really easy. Just select the site, the type, and customize the parameters. You can even add some additional content if you need to. And needless to mention, if you change or add any content to the type or site, the changes will apply across every piece of equipment with that type assigned. This equipment is what's actually visible to the technicians, and it represents a single car at a specific location. So if anyone does any work on it, you'll know exactly which car it was. Pretty neat if you ask me. So let's recap. If Mark wants to set up Lumnio for his large fleet of cars, he needs to create just a handful of equipment types with various parameters and assigned content. He also needs to set up a site for each of his locations. And when he's done this, he can start adding the actual cars in his fleet, which should be really easy with the prep work he has done. His technicians will see only the cars at their locations with only the right content visible. And that's all for this quick Lumnio lesson. Stay tuned for the following ones where we explore these features more in depth. Thanks for tuning in.